We're walking through the weekly market here in Fethiye. It's every Tuesday. Well, they have it Friday as well. All the vendors here with their wares. You can haggle, but most people don't. A lot of the vendors speak English, so you don't have to worry too much about language barrier here. If they don't, they just tell you how much it is on a calculator or something. Serbo? Looks like tomatoes, strawberries, and peppers, and carrots are the big things here. Can be a little slow moving depending on how crowded it is. Come outside, you get all the cheeses. Of course, there's olives here. More cheese. There's a lot of local foreigners a good mix of everybody here. We got Turkish Delight.
Yes.
Hello there.
Yes, inside peanut and chips flavors. You can try. No, thank you.
Hello. Merhaba. Hello.
Would you like Turkish tonight?
Once you get through all the food, you get over to the clothes and kind of a flea market feel.
Hadi gel bakalım. Ha.
Gezer tatlarından.
Hello. Merhaba.
Camera to England? English TV?
No.
YouTube?
YouTube.
Hello YouTube. How are you? Cheaper than Mike Baldwin.
People are so friendly here. That's one thing you realize when you get to Turkey, Fethiye and some of these areas. People are very friendly. Most speak English, or at least can try to get a point across if they need to. It's not what most people think of Turkey. We've been trying to figure out what it's like. It reminds us kind of, you know, Nice or something like that. Different infrastructure, but the feel. And just a very relaxing feel. Kind of like Florida without the idiots. Yep, go ahead and put your comment down below. I know you will. But Florida does have some idiots. You see here, there's quite a few people here. Clothes, you need just about anything here. Oh, my wife was looking for socks the other day. Maybe she'll have to get a pair here. You guys got a bunch of socks. It says North Face, but I don't know. It might be faux face, but it's fake. But you run into that almost every market you go to. We got housewares over here, shoes. It's really a nice market. And luckily, it's about a block from where we're staying here in Fethiye. You basically walk to the end of the street and take a left, and we're here. Last night we walked through and we saw a place that's selling pancakes up here. So I think I'm going to give that a shot once I find my wife. I have no idea where she went. I told her I was going to film, and then she started walking. She doesn't like being on camera. But, hey, I don't like being on camera either, so. You can see it runs down there.
The company will be, what?
Quite a ways. Here's the pancake place. You get tea and coffee.
And then you'll go, and then they'll unite again.
And you can hear there's a lot of Brits here.